Welcome to my review of Survey Junkie. If you've been wondering whether this online survey platform is worth your time, you've come to the right place. Let me take you through the entire experience, so you can decide for yourself whether it's a good fit for your needs. First off, Survey Junkie is a website that allows you to earn points by completing surveys. These points can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. It's a straightforward concept, but is it really worth the effort? I spent some time using the platform, so let's dive into what I found. To get started, you'll need to sign up on the Survey Junkie website. The process is pretty simple, requiring just a few basic details. Once you're in, the dashboard is easy to navigate. You'll see available surveys right away. But here's the first thing to note. Surveys can vary in length and reward. Some only take a few minutes, while others may take longer. One of the things I liked was that Survey Junkie provides an estimate of how long a survey will take and how many points you earn. This makes it easier to decide whether or not you want to participate. However, I did find that the surveys sometimes get repetitive, and the payout per survey can be a bit low considering the time investment. Another thing worth mentioning is that Survey Junkie offers a reward system where you earn points for every completed survey. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme though. If you're looking to make a substantial income, this may not be the platform for you. But if you're just looking to make a little extra cash or get a few gift cards here and there, it can be a nice way to supplement your income. There are also other ways to earn points on Survey Junkie, like completing profile surveys, which help personalize your survey experience. The more details you provide, the more tailored your surveys will be. That said, some surveys may still screen you out after you spend time answering questions, which can be frustrating. Now, let's talk payouts. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out for PayPal money or gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and more. It's generally a straightforward process, but keep in mind that the payout thresholds can be a bit high. You'll need at least 1,000 points, roughly equivalent to $10, to cash out. I'll be honest, Survey Junkie isn't the fastest way to earn money online, and it's definitely not going to replace a full-time job. But for those looking to earn a bit on the side, it can be a decent option. However, it's not a get-rich-quick platform, and the payout per survey is low compared to other online money-making opportunities. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. All in all, Survey Junkie is a legitimate platform that pays you for your time, but don't expect huge returns. If you're willing to put in the time and be patient, you can definitely make a little extra money or snag some gift cards here and there. If you're looking for a side hustle, it's a nice addition to your toolkit, but I wouldn't recommend it as your primary source of income. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.